Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a cool hack.
I love fresh pineapple, but the cutting of it is not so fun. So today I want to show you a cool gadget that will take out the fruit into a spiral without cutting the skin of the pineapple. This is a pineapple slicer that cores, peels and slices in a single operation with a fast and comfortable handling, provides you immediately ready-to-eat slices and keeps the juice in the pineapple. But first I want to show you how to choose the best pineapple, not an under-ripped one or a rotten one. On the internet, I saw so many ways to choose a juicy pineapple, from checking the skin, sniffing the bottom, or touching it. I've never seen this method that I'm showing you today. This is the absolute best way to tell if a pineapple is perfect. The leaves will give you the best hint. Pull a leaf, and if it pulls out easily and its base is white, your pineapple is perfectly ripe. If you struggle pulling that leaf out and its base is green, it's not ripped yet. If you pull the leaf too easily and the base of it is beige or brown, the pineapple is gone bad. So simple. Anyway, if you have a ripe pineapple, don't wait a minute more to cut it up or it will go bad in no time. Now let's go into the chopping. Cut the top. Place the pineapple slicer on the top and its serrated teeth will cut around the tough inner core and create rings as you twist it through the pineapple. This way you get as much as fruit possible without waste. Keep twisting until you get close to the bottom. Then pull out, and if it doesn't get out, just cut the base. Voila! Press the two buttons to remove that top part of the pineapple slicer, and you can see how easy you got pineapple rings. If you prefer it like this, you are done. If you want those bite-sized pieces, cut it like this. Very easy. I store it in this glass container with lid because I'm going to put it in the fridge. Fresh cold pineapple is so delicious. The shell of the pineapple is intact, so you can use it for decorating. Put some fruit salad in it or something like that. Fresh pineapple is very healthy because it contains vitamins and minerals, including calcium, manganese, plus vitamin A and C, as well as folic acid. One of the key phytonutrients found in pineapple is bromelain, that has long been recognized for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects. Pineapple and its compounds have been linked to many health benefits, including aiding digestion, boosting immunity, and speeding up recovery from surgery, among others. Please let me know in the comments below if you ever used this pineapple slicer. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!